Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I am More Tanvi, and as you know, these are the series of interviews that we are conducting for the promotion of some excellent startups across our country. Now the very first questions which arises in your mind is, why should you watch these interviews? You should watch these interviews if you are a job seeker. You should watch this interview if you want to invest, if you want to know the merits and demerits of a particular startup. We provide you some excellent experiences from which you can learn, and that too free of cost. For today's interview, we have Mr. Gaurav Arora, India's only focus mastery coach. He is a coach entrepreneur on increasing the speed and productivity in the growth-oriented plans via his execution strategy. He became obsessed with studies, what makes a few businesses get bigger, faster, and gave almost 4 years of his struggling to find the truth, the method that works, and he curated Focus Mastery. Their mission is to reach 1 million businesses owner by 2040 by helping them with massive growth and profile acceleration with focus and execution mastery. Sounds interesting, right? So let's know more about the company and the owner by himself. Good evening, sir. I am More Tanvi from Startup Lanes, and we are very grateful to have you on the board for this interview.
Thank you, Tanvi. It's a pleasure to be with the Startup Lanes and with you.
Yeah. Sir, I will please request you to introduce yourself to our viewers.
So Tanvi, I work as a Focus Mastery coach, and my expertise is in coaching experienced business owners, and I help them to take the business to the next level. So that's my work.
So my very first question to you is that how did you come up with the idea of startup?
See, this idea of becoming a focus mastery coach, there is a good journey about it. So I first decided that I drop my education and I'll start following my heart. So while I was trying to follow my journey of becoming a coach, I was sitting with one business owner, and in that conversation he said that Gaurav, there is a saying in a Punjabi that man jeete jag jeet. If you can conquer your mind, you can conquer the world. And he said, Gaurav, believe me, maximum people are not successful because of lack of knowledge or lack of skill set. Maximum business owners are not successful because of lack of focus. And I was one of them. I could see my life at that point of time that I'm not focused, and I sleep late, I do not wake up early, I spend a lot of time in distraction. And then I went to the market, I started talking to business owners, and I'm like, wow, man. It is like such a big opportunity. The 80% business owner complain me that either they are not growing because they are too much stuck into the business, or they are too much distracted. So I decided that first I'll become my student, I'll first improve myself, and then I'll start coaching business owners. So that's how this idea came up in my mind.
Okay, so sir, what was the most difficult part in the early stages of the journey?
See, the most difficult part in the early stages of the journey was to get clients, because I was too young to be a coach. I was only 22 when I started. So people used to say me that you're too young to be a coach. You have not proven yourself. You're not experienced. So that was a very difficult part. And of course, I believe that most of the people who decided to go on a journey of a business, the acceptance from a family side and from your friend side was a big difficulty, because I dropped my education. I didn't appear for my final examination, and I was doing CA. So not appearing for final examination was like a big shock for my parents. So those were the biggest challenges in starting.
Okay. So my next question to you is that as per my knowledge, you have an established market out there. So what was the market gap that you identified?
Market gap, we identified that when we went to the market and we analyzed the training industry, what we learned that most of the people are learning, most of the business owners are learning but not implementing. So that is where we came in between as a trainer. There are so many entrepreneurs who are coming to me. They have invested lakhs of money into the business coaching, but have not got any result even after investing so much money. So we help them to implement. We do very strong follow up with them. We have a strong accountability team, strong accountability structure. We have strong SOPs in our organization, through which we drive the performance of our clients, and that is our USP. And by the grace of God, we have clients who have even double and triple their businesses within a short span of time. So so that's what we do.
So can you explain your business model in detail?
It is a business secret, so I cannot, tell you everything in detail. But as a business model, I'll tell you. So the training industry work on a funnel system. So at first, what we do, we get to the market and we give a program, say 99 rupee. Okay, and we give a program at a very cheaper price so that every person can afford, and then we give a very high value at that price. When people get high value, they believe in us, their faith get developed in us, and then we sell them a high ticket program. And then, after they get into a first high ticket program, and then they get a huge result into their business, then we have a second high ticket program as well. So that's how we earn money. So the good part about selling them the second time, is that when you sell them second time, there is no expense. So there
Yeah.
is 100% profit. And when you sell at the first time, we try to become profitable at that point of time too. But yeah, the good part about a business is that we able to run it in a good profit because we able to give high value to our clients.
Okay, sir. So, sir, in a just you have explained your products and services, but still I want you to specify that what products and services you deliver to your customers.
See, we have a 21-day program which is open for all the entrepreneurs, and then I also have my 6 month program, which is my Focus Mastery program, which is a group coaching program. And then I have a product where I give one-to-one personal coaching to business owner, but that's a very high-end program. And I generally coach people who have a turnover of 50 crore plus personally, and below 50 crore I coach in group, and that is my Focus Mastery coaching program.
Oh, okay. So, sir, who are your target customers?
For target customers are experienced business owners who know how to run business, because we generally don't coach starters because it takes 1 or 2 years to understand the business. But once a person has an experience of 3 4 years, he's having 2 3 people team, then we try to help him to go to the next level. So we deal with the experienced business owner, and for my personal coaching, I try to deal with business owner who have a minimum experience of 8 to 10 years and who have at least turnover of within 50 crore.
Okay, fair enough. So, sir, my next question is that as I mentioned, you have an established market out there. So, I wanted to ask that why a customer should choose you over other customers? I mean, what differs you?
See, what differs is the commitment towards the customer. That's the first thing. What differs is the systems through which we direct the company. So when a customer joins us and the way we manage the success of a customer, that is absolutely amazing. So for example, when a customer joins us, we create a whole coaching plan for the customer, and consider that customer is taking a 6 month group coaching program with us. So it is not like that. It is only a group coaching. They are in 6 months. There are approximately 24 one-to-one calls for the team, and we track each and every deadline and each and everything where there is a gap in his business.
Okay.
So we attempt our level best to help him to bridge that gap as fast as we can. And the more fast he bridges that gap, whether it is related to sales, it's marketing, or it's related to HR, he able to grow the business fast. So this is what makes us separate from the market.
So, can you list down the few unique features which differs you from your competitor?
See, the first and the foremost unique feature is that I help business owner in developing focus, but I only help business owners in developing focus. And to be very specific, I only help experienced business owners in developing focus. Generally, if you will go to the market and you will try to learn about time management or about focus, you will see that the same person is training housewife, same person is training student, and the same person is training business owner. But how the focus works for a business owner is totally different the way it works for a student or for a housewife or for a person who is in a job. So we have an expertise in coaching business owner. We able to help them to transform their businesses by the power of focus. That is our biggest USP, and Focus Mastery is my registered trademark, and no one can use it. So I can say that I'm the only Focus Mastery coach in India.
Okay,
The
okay.
whole concept is made by me, and the best part is that I'm a dropout, so I do not have any degree. So whatever I teach is a proven method. Is a method which works for people. Is a method which have given me result and which have given results to my client.
That's great to hear. So till now we have talked about your customers, your business. Now I want to know that if there are job applicants out there and they want to seek, job, so why he or she should choose to work with you?
Oh, I think, my company is best company. If you want to work, I'll tell you the biggest reason behind that. Of course,
Mhm.
every business owner can say that, but the power, which a person get in my company is that he able to study so many businesses that I don't think in any other business you get that opportunity. We deal with service people, we deal with manufacturers, we deal with traders people. So the knowledge which you get about different businesses, that is something which is only happening in my company. And the
Mhm.
second part is that we are not dealing with every Tom, Dick, and Harry. We deal with business owner who are the smartest, who I believe is one of the smartest people on the planet.
Yeah.
So because they are dealing directly with the business owner, they able to learn a lot by dealing directly with business owner. And of
Mhm.
course, because they are dealing with business owner, we need to skill them like anything. So
Yeah.
we train on our team like anything. We help them to develop the skill set so that they can be helpful to other business owners as well. So, my mentor used to say me that, a man who is fool cannot be rich.
Yeah.
Okay, and a rich person is never a fool. So when we are dealing with rich business owners, they are very intelligent, I believe, and
Mhm.
there is always a lot to learn from them. Even still, I also learn a lot from my client. So that is why I believe that my company is one of the best company to work in.
And I'm sure, sir.
And
So
second
my
most important thing, I believe we give a good salary package compared to MNCs.
Of course, that's more important, I guess. Yeah. So my next question is that as you mentioned before that you did not continue your profession, which was CA, and followed your passion. So if not this company, what else you would be doing right now?
That's a little out of track, but I think probably I believe in two power very much, and the one is inspiration, and the second is laughter. So of
Mhm.
course, I'm in the field of inspiration and training. If I get a chance to do a second thing, I think maybe becoming a stand-up comedian will be the second thing.
Great. That's three different directions.
That's a totally different vertical, yeah. But I love stand-up comedians. I'm a big fan of Papa Seeges and many other
Mhm.
comedians. So I just love stand-up comedians.
Okay. So my next question to you is that what are the products and services that are in daily touch of like you need them in daily routine?
See, in a daily routine, we need digital marketing services. That is, one service which we need. We need designing services, and we need services for creating systems for our clients because a lot of work we also outsource. So
Mhm.
these are a few and the services which is related to events. In case due to pandemic, we are not doing events right now offline,
Yeah.
but we need services for our offline events as well. So these are a few services which we need on a very regular basis.
Mhm. So one more similar question that on what parameters do you select your vendors and suppliers? So is it price, is it quality or convenience? What is it?
See, the first thing is the integrity. So I think integrity is the most important parameter because if a vendor is keeping a promise and he is not, he's not fulfilling the promise, then that is like very hard for my business. That is something which we cannot deal. So price is of course one factor, but I believe price is the second factor, not a first factor. If a person is meeting the deadline and
Mhm.
he is charging 10 to 20% extra, we are always happy to pay him that.
Yeah.
So integrity is one thing, and then of course price. Of course we get to the market and we know the pricing because we don't want to pay higher.
Mhm.
And yeah, so these two things are important.
Okay. So the next thing I would like to know that what are your recent and long-term plans for your business?
See, to be very specific, if I tell you about my long-term plans, and by 2025 we want to hit on a profit of 10 crore. That's like a very specific plan which we have. We are working on that like anything. And if I talk about short-term plan, so yeah, so we are interested in meeting this year target. So this is
Okay.
our short-term plan.
Okay. Okay. So the next thing I want to ask that are you planning to raise funds, and if not, then are you planning to do so in near future?
See, I'm not planning to raise fund because we charge in advance from my clients, and I don't believe that funding is a major issue in my business.
Mhm.
If we will be able to scale, we will be able to raise funds. Not a big thing because we charge advance, so it doesn't matter much to us.
Mhm. Okay.
If we will
Uh,
get clients, they will give us the money to do the business.
mhm. So the next thing I would love to hear the feedback on SL, if you want to say something.
See, so startup links, I just came to know about you guys, and I really want to appreciate you. You guys seems to be very well managed, and you seems to be very well organized. The way you are trying to do marketing at such a young age, I got your email, and I was just wondering that you guys are so smart. You're able to track our email ID, you're able to send us emails, and then you guys are very organized. So yeah, so I really love working with your company. And I must appreciate you that at such a young age, you guys are working in such an amazing manner. I'm just in awe of Startup Links.
That's lovely to hear. Lastly, if you want to thank someone from your team or friends and family, you can do so.
Yeah, so I'm thankful to each and every person who supported me, and I believe team is one, which of course supported me the most. So every person of my team, and especially my clients who believed in me because they are the one because of whom I got a chance to express my skill, to express my talent, and today I am successful. So I'm very thankful to my clients and my team, and they are the reason why I'm becoming successful. And not the most importantly is of course my parents. I believe it is very difficult to manage a kid like me who invest 5 years into education and then start following his heart. So yeah, so they actually went through lots of ups and downs, and they are very simple people, but they still supported me. They still tried their level best to understand what I'm doing, and finally, it is because of their love and blessing that I'm becoming successful today.
And I'm sure, sir. Also, thanks to you. Thank you for your time and crucial words. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tanvi. Thanks a lot.